Welcome to the deep dive. Really excited about today's topic. We're going to be peeling back the layers on something pretty specific. We've got some material here outlining what it really takes, what it means to become a Mindhive AI partner.
Hmm.
So our mission, if you will, is to unpack that journey for you. The source describes this, well, evolution, a real transition from one kind of relationship to something much deeper, more integrated. And that means a pretty fundamental shift in how value gets delivered.
Yeah, and what's really striking, I think, is how the source frames it right away. It's not just a level up, it's a transformation from affiliate to partner. And they're very clear. This isn't just about the title or, simply passing on client names. The core idea is, and this is their phrase, delivering consulting value powered by Mindhive's AI
Okay,
tools.
so delivering value using the tools.
Exactly. So think of it like this. An affiliate, they might say, send over a lead who needs market analysis. Okay?
Standard referral.
Right. But a Mindhive AI partner, they'd actually use Mindhive's AI, maybe its data synthesis tools, to co-create that analysis, get those initial insights out in like hours, not weeks, then help the client figure out the strategy from there.
Wow. Okay, so it's not just a lead, it's integrated delivery,
Yeah.
accelerated by the AI.
That's the idea. It's hands-on.
Now, just for clarity, maybe for listeners not familiar with the name Mindhive itself, what is that in this context?
Good point. So Mindhive, based on what we're seeing here, is essentially a platform. Think collaborative intelligence, but with AI baked in. It's built to help with complex consulting work, streamline things, get insights faster, make engagements more agile.
Okay.
And what we're dissecting is their new AI partner model, which, again, moves you from just referring people to actually embedding Mindhive's AI into how you consult.
Got it. And the source points to specific areas you need to develop for this shift.
It outlines three main things. First, mastering facilitation, but the AI-enhanced kind. Second, designing your own offerings around these tools. And third, actually applying these AI-powered strategies in, real client work, building up practical experience.
Okay, that does sound like a big step up in skills. Let's dig into that first one. Mastering facilitation. What's the AI angle there? Is it like getting real-time data during a workshop?
It seems to be that, and, well, a bit more. The source suggests AI can really change the game for a facilitator. Imagine it analyze what's being said in a meeting, like instantly. Pick out key themes, maybe flag where people aren't agreeing, or even pull together summaries of contributions right there and then, actionable summaries.
So the facilitator isn't just frantically taking notes.
Exactly. You're freed up. You can focus on the group, the dynamics, the creative side, the human stuff, really guide the strategy instead of just capturing data.
Right. It's like having an incredibly fast, smart assistant right there with you in the room, handling the data crunching.
Sort of like an intelligent co-pilot for the session, yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
Okay.
Okay, so moving from facilitation. The second pillar was designing offerings. This sounds like where the business strategy side really kicks in with AI, right?
Absolutely. And the document, it really stresses that this isn't just about making your current services, faster or cheaper.
Okay.
It's about creating totally new things, new AI-driven solutions. So maybe a client needs a market entry plan.
Right. Typically weeks of research.
Yeah, traditionally. But with Mindhive's AI, the source suggests is you could use its predictive analytics to benchmark things quickly, spot trends in huge data sets, maybe even generate initial proposal ideas or different scenarios based on what the client needs. All super fast, maybe days.
So you're prototyping solutions almost on the fly.
Something like that. Rapid prototyping, high customization, and it's all backed by data from the AI. Much quicker value, higher precision. Again, that co-pilot idea, but for the problem-solving part.
It really speeds up the whole service design process, letting you be more responsive.
No.
Okay, which leads us to the third piece. Applying AI-enhanced strategies. This is where the rubber meets the road, I guess.
Definitely. This is where you actually do the work as a partner.
How does the source show this working in practice?
Well, it's not just about, using a simple chatbot. It could be using Mindhive's generative AI to draft the first version of a complex project proposal.
Saving hours on the basic.
Exactly. Or maybe in a big strategy project, using its analytics to simulate the impact of different choices, giving you that data-driven foresight.
Okay.
The point seems to be weaving these tools right into your consulting workflow. So you execute strategies faster, more accurately. You're giving clients not just advice, but AI-accelerated work. It's like having this super-powered research and analysis team instantly available.
So what we're really talking about here isn't just a different business model. It feels like a redefinition of what consulting itself can be in this AI era.
Hmm.
Moving away from just pointing the way to actively co-creating solutions, really boosted by Mindhive's tech.
Yeah, it definitely pushes you to think differently about the human consultant's role.
So let's try and crystallize this for you listening. From what we've gone through, becoming a Mindhive AI partner, well, it's clearly way beyond just sending leads. It's about diving in, providing consulting that's genuinely AI-powered. You're mastering new skills, right? Like that AI-assisted facilitation we talked about. You're learning to design unique offerings built around the AI. And then critically, you're using those AI strategies hands-on with clients, delivering very specific data-rich value. The ultimate aim, as the source puts it, seems to be positioning yourself as that trusted Mindhive partner, building a really deep integrated capability, something that makes you stand out.
Yeah, absolutely. And it does leave you with a pretty big question, doesn't it, for you, the listener, to think about. We've talked about this shift towards delivering AI-powered value, mastering facilitation, designing offerings, applying these strategies. So looking ahead in this landscape that's just getting more and more AI-driven, how might the role of us, the human consultants, evolve even further? And maybe more importantly, what's that unique, that truly indispensable value that people can bring when they effectively combine their own expertise, their intuition, their empathy with tools as powerful as these AI platforms, something to chew on.